jerk is so violent. Hello there, welcome back everyone. Today we are driving a 2002 Saturn SL2. I want to say a huge thank you to Allmans Used Cars of Martinsburg, Virginia for providing me the Saturn. And today we're going to see what can you get for under $1,000 in the United States today. What kind of car? Let's fire up and go take a look outside. This is my first time ever driving a Saturn. I've heard so much about these cars back in the day. They even had a merger with Opel, a German car company. And there's really nothing on the market that looks like Saturns. At least in my area, you can't even find them anywhere. But let's check out the back seat. Oops. Oh la la. So we're gonna have to do it the old school way, like that. Oh. There we go. Here's the back seat. As you can see, it's very vertical. Let's hop in here and see what it's like sitting in the back. So at 6'2", feels quite cramped in here. The back seat is extremely vertical. There's no headrest in the back. This actually still works. And we got these window handles. Okay. All right. I assume this doesn't even pull. And let's see if we can get the trunk. Yeah, there's no physical button to open the trunk here. I'd have to stop the car. Well, that's okay. Let's get in here. Let's see what we got. We got a classical climate system, the radio, what else do we got? S series. Let's see what this is. The Saturn S series. Is this an S series? Oh, maybe it's an S series. Very interesting. Yeah, LS2, that's what it should be. Okay, that's cool. Okay. All right, well, let's take her for a spin, shall we? Here you're gonna see a red indicator over the gearbox when you're in the gear. Whoops. There we go. All right, drive. I think this is a 4-speed automatic. I'm not sure. Feels like one. Gotta be careful with the gas here. It can be a little surprising. Definitely has an interesting drive feel. Quite stiff. If you want a raw experience driving a car, then this may very well be that kind of car. We're not going to even time it 0 to 60. No point to. I don't want the gearbox to explode, so let's not do it. We got wind noise coming in. See how it feels over bumps. Okay. Alrighty. Let's check the U-turn radius. You can hear the squishy suspension. That jerk is so violent. Oh boy. Also, driving down here in West Virginia, it feels very unusual sitting in a low car, because almost every other car that passes me is like a huge truck. A big one. But honestly, driving this for 7-10 minutes has given me more emotions, like just pure emotion wise, than like a Plaid or a sports car, because here 50 feels like you're going very fast, especially combined with the wind noise and the transmission jerks. Woo! It's an experience. It's definitely an experience. wheel is really weird. Just like the feel of it. A very unusual design. It's like, which do you hold it like this? Like this? It's a great question. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the test drive. I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments below. Obviously, we were not able to do a full test drive with Draggy and all our usual procedures, but again, different type of car, and we can't really do these things on this one. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and until next time.